Hey guys, Paula Porter's camera. Today you get a twofer. I'm going to show you two products we just got in that I think are pretty cool. We're going to show you the mini Fat Gecko and the Kiwi macro focusing rail. Let's start with that Fat Gecko. What is it? It is a camera support system composed of one massive suction cup, okay? You take this, you can put it on any flat surface. I'm going to use this glass table, but it could be like the hood of a car. It could be a helmet. You can stick it on your skateboard, a kayak. I stick one of these on my scooter. You put it on the flat surface, there's a big button here that says push. When you do that, it expels some of the air. Then there's a secondary lock switch that really secures it to the surface. You can pull on this thing real hard. If I were to continue to pull this hard, I'd probably shatter the glass. I don't want to do that. But it's really on there. You can articulate it in two ways. There's a knob on the back here, maneuvers the arm, okay? And then there's another knob right here that releases the head. It's a ball head, so you can pretty much find any angle. I know a lot of people are looking for those hero cams, okay? Problem with those is they're small and there's no review LCD screen. What you could do is grab one of these Fat Geckos, right? Stick that on your helmet. Grab a camera, I don't know, something like these tough cameras like Fuji makes this. This is one of their waterproof, shockproof ones. Olympus has a tough series of camera. Put this on there, you're going to have higher quality, okay? Let's move on then. Let's talk about this macro focusing rail from Kiwi. Okay, I do a lot of macro, and the way I do it is I set my lenses up to the minimum focusing distance and then move myself back and forth to find precise sharpness, okay, or precise focus. This thing is an excellent aid. It's got a standard 1/4x20 screw on the bottom. Okay, so that's going to mount. I'll just put it right here on this Fat Gecko, right? So you can secure that thing to your tripod. Any tripod will do. Okay. And then it gives you the ability to maneuver this thing both left and right if you want to change, you know, where you're looking at left to right when you're shooting your macro. And then the precise ability to move back and forth and achieve that critical focus. So this thing is an awesome tool for helping you set up those macro shots. Fat Gecko, mini Fat Gecko, the Kiwi macro focusing rail, two pretty cool product now at Porter's.